What's up everybody? So, as I said in the previous video, we are in the west coast of Corsica and the sea is behind me. I recently saw a video called One Breath Around the World, and it's about a guy who swims really deep while holding his breath. And I kinda wanted to do the same, so I trained a little bit to swim underwater while holding your breath. And so far, I've been 10 meters deep with only some goggles and, you know, a tuba, but in the water it doesn't work. So, and that's pretty much what we are going to do right now. We are going to see the fishes and the beauty of the underwater landscapes. So let's jump in the water. Okay, let's go. Out of the water, but whew, that was so much fun. And until a few days ago, I didn't even knew I liked swimming underwater. But right now, we are going to pack our bags and go back to the apartment. Oh gosh, it's so hot outside. It's actually 37 degrees Celsius. So, there is only one thing to do. I do this and then that. But inside the house it's like 24 degrees and here 37, so the difference is like you go out and you melt right away. And if you don't jump in the pool, you pretty much die before anything happens. I feel like we spend our whole life in the water here. I don't know if you know this, but with a tuba like this one, you can do this. Yeah, it's totally useless, like so useless. Ah, you can also do this! It's pretty much useless, but yeah, as you can see, life is really hard right now. Just goofing around, yeah, really tough life. So I don't really know what to shoot in those videos because, you know, we just go in the sea, then in the swimming pool, then back in the sea, then back in the swimming pool, then we play a little game, but that's pretty much it. We don't really do much more than this. I'll catch you guys up later, maybe tomorrow, maybe after tomorrow, when something happens. See you guys later.